Many of us must have come across this product. However, let me tell you, you must have failed to know that there are multiple uses of this product. You'll be surprised with the uses that I state in my video today. So beginning with the toddlers, in case if you have a toddler crib or if you use a pram or a car seat, this product can be used as a lining for them because it will help protect them from getting wet. And also, since most of the toddlers love painting, you can place them over this sheet and let them paint, or you can place this sheet on your sofa as a cover, which will avoid it from getting wet. Since this product is easily washable and dries quickly, you can make the best use of them. If you have pets at home like dogs or cats, you can line this product in the area where they stay, where they sleep, to avoid any accidents. Say suppose they pee, poop, or they drop water around, so the area will be safe from all these and clean, and you can anytime remove this and wash it. Also, this serves as a good purpose for your table top, your dining table, because usually water spills on your dining table, gravy spill, so it will keep it all away with the help of this product. Say suppose you love going beachside or for picnics, this product is best for use, because when you place them on your beachside area, wherever you are sitting, or on your picnic spot, any water drops, any juice drops, it's no worries at all. Even bugs and all are kept away from this product, so your kids, you are safe while you all are at picnic. Most of the people have furniture placed in the garden area of their houses, so lining their furniture with this product will help protect them from any kind of moisturizer, and this will help save and give the furniture a long-term use. Also, if you have elderly people in the house, patients in the house, you can use this product. They are very good, better than plastic covers or rubber covers. This will keep them away from bed sores as well. So friends, if you all found this product useful, I have attached the link in the description box. Do share it with others and do not forget to subscribe.